I saw a man today who said he talked to you. Not so long ago, I think a month or two. As my mind raced back in time, I prayed, oh Lord, don't let it show. He thinks I forgot you 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I'm as broken up inside as if it's been a week or so. Takes a mighty strong love to keep a man thinking of a girl he hasn't seen since 15 years ago. I've got a lovely wife who thinks the world of me. Promised her my love through all eternity. I've tried hard to make her happy, and so far she doesn't know I can't shake this thing of 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I'm as broken up inside as if it's been a week or so. Takes a mighty long time to get a real love off your mind. I know I've tried since 15 years ago. As I look at the letter that you wrote to me, it's you that I am thinking of. As I read the lines that to me were so sweet, I remember our faded love, and makes you die more and more every day. And heaven beneath the stars above, we
alone and so blue. But I'll always dream, still I'll never own you. Make 'em believe, it's all I can do. Can't hold you close when you're not with me. You're somebody's love, you'll never be mine. Make them believe I'll spend my lifetime loving you, and make them believe. Make him believe that I never lost you, but my happy hours I find are so few. My plans for the future will never come true. Make him believe. What else can I do? Can't hold you close when you're not with me. You're somebody's love, you'll never be mine. Make him believe I'll spend my lifetime loving you, and making believe. If he brings you happiness, then I wish you both the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrop ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Though it hurts to let you go, darling, I want you to know I'll stand by you if ever you should call. And if I should ever hear that he made you shed a tear, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me by your side. that you cry. And if he ever leaves you blue,
just remember that I love you.
I'll be there.